In this video I will show you guys how can you get Spotify very easily on your Samsung Smart TV. So first up I will grab my remote control and I will press this button here, which is the source button. Alright, so right now I will go again on my remote control and press one time on this down arrow. Alright, right now I will double click on this right arrow. 1, 2, 2. Click on the apps tab by pressing enter. Alright, so right now I will go right here to the search bar and I will click on this search tab, and here I will press Spotify. Alright, there we go. So I will go and click on it, and as you can see it's already installed. Maybe on your Samsung Smart TV will be already installed and you are good to go. So that's it. Right now you will need to click on login, add your credentials, and you are good to go.